everyone, I am Rajdeep Basak. Currently I am studying BBA HNH from EIILM-Kolkata, and today we are prepare eggplant canopy.
So here we go, we have the brinjals, the eggplant, where this eggplants we have already sliced and marinated with salt, little bit of salt. So we are going to start. For this we have the batter of egg and flour, and we have the breadcrumbs and some vegetables to make it little healthy. So we'll start. Firstly, we will batter coat the eggplant and then we'll fry. Okay. Keep it here. We are going to cut this cheese, okay, into roundels. You just see, no, it will be little more brown, okay. Because you have the eggplants inside, it will not get cooked. ভাঙে না যেন একটাও। Keep it here. Then should do not. Let's go for garnish now, okay?
Our dish is ready, and make it at home and let us know how you like it.